is starting to bloom right here. And this one is the same as this one here. They need water. There are two different kinds of daylilies in here, all in flower pots. See? They're all in flower pots because I don't have any room. And I'm going to show you the rest of... This one is hormone. This one is hormone right here. And I did some more, but this is what it looks like when it doesn't do too good. See? That's what it looks like. It turns right here. And this one is hormone. Same time with the one that I show you. That's what happened when it's dry. If I don't water it, that's what happened. And this is my garlic. This is garlic here. See? Millennium garlic. And let me see. I'm going to show you some more the one that I hormoned. My tomatoes. These are hormones. See, this is the same time I hormone with the other one. See, it's growing really well. And this one here. This one, it died. The first one I did, it died. That's what it looks like when it dies. But this one is doing good. See? These are doing good. And this is hormone also right here. This is, I don't know how old this one is. It's pretty old. Probably 4 or 5 years ago. That was before COVID. Did you know COVID like 4 years ago? Here's another one that I hormoned. No, I did not hormone this one. I just stuck it in here. See, I did not hormone this one. I just I just, after I cut it, I stuck it in there and see if it's going to grow. And it did grow. This is my banana. It finally survived. Okay, I don't have any in here. I have tomatoes. I have stuff everywhere here. I don't have any room. That's why I need to work in here. So this is the one I did not hormone. And these are hormone right here, see. These are all hormone right here. Look at that. And it's growing really well. See, these are all hormone. I don't have anything here that in the flower pot that I did not hormone. All of these are hormoned. This one right here is hormoned. It's doing really, really well. All the flower pots, roses are from hormone. Yep, see. So these are all hormones, you see. And they're beautiful. The original plants are planted in the backyard. And I'm going to show you my backyard rose garden. And this one, I mixed them all up. It's just way too much going on in here. So I need to separate them this year. Because it's got too much stuff growing in here. I have iris, lilies. These are trumpet lilies right here. And I have rose. It used to be just roses here, but I stuck it in here thinking that, I'm going to remove it here pretty soon. Yes, all free, see. These are hormone. Look at this here. This one, I just did this one. The same time with the one I just showed you. This one. It's a new hormone. See? This is the brands. This is coming from this one. I just did this year at the same time with the one I showed you. And look at that. This is beautiful flower. Big, big flower. And this is what it looks like when it doesn't work, when it's dying. I don't know. I think this is going to die. Yeah, it's going to die because it's... might as well just pull this out. No, I'm not going to pull it out. It's like roots. There's roots already. So there's another one that's hormone at the same time with this. This is my cranium lilies. These are beautiful, beautiful lilies. I made a video on this one. It's got almost 500,000 views on this one. And these are hormones right here. And this one is huge. This one right here that I hormone. This is really, really big and it's overflowing now. I had to put, because it was so windy the other day, this one, I saw this, it was laying down. This one was laying down, so I put this stick in there. See, look how tall that is. Oh, there goes the baby